Hey there, credit card users. Are you tired of paying high interest rates, annual fees, and other hidden charges on your credit cards? Do you want to know how to get the most out of your plastic without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to reveal some of the best credit card hacks that banks don't want you to know about. So sit back, relax, and get ready to save some serious cash. Credit cards are a convenient and important part of modern life. Whether you're booking a flight, ordering food online, or buying new appliances or furniture, credit cards are often the go-to payment method for many people. However, the downside of using credit cards is that they can be costly if you don't use them wisely. Banks and credit card companies are notorious for hiding fees and charges in the fine print of their contracts. You could end up paying more than you bargained for. Of course, you don't want that to happen, right? Don't worry, there are some clever credit card hacks that can help you avoid these pitfalls and even turn the tables in your favor. By using some of these tricks and tips, you can maximize your rewards, minimize your fees, and ultimately save yourself a lot of money. Whether you're a seasoned credit card user or a newbie looking to get started, this video is for you. We're going to cover a range of hacks that are sure to help you get the most out of your plastic. I know you're already excited to find out. Well, make sure to take note of these hacks because you'll surely need it soon. So without further ado, let's dive into the best credit card hacks that banks don't want you to know about. Hack number 1. Negotiating your interest rate. Forbes Advisor's weekly credit card rates report states that the average interest rate on credit cards is currently at 24.10%. This high rate makes carrying a balance a costly affair, especially for cards with APRs ranging from 25 to 30%. Even a 10% APR can be expensive compared to other borrowing options. While the interest rate on a credit card is typically set by the lender when you open an account, it's worth noting that they are not always set in stone. With some effort, it's possible to negotiate or renegotiate your interest rate. Negotiating your interest rate is a powerful credit card hack that can result in significant savings. The key to success is to be polite, persistent, and prepared. Before you call your credit card issuer, do some research to find out what interest rates other cards are offering. This will give you leverage and help you make a compelling case for why you deserve a lower rate. When you call your credit card issuer, be sure to have your account information and credit score handy. Explain your situation, highlight your good payment history and loyalty to the company, and ask if they can lower your interest rate. If the representative says no, don't give up. Ask to speak to a supervisor or retention specialist who may have more authority to negotiate. If you're successful in negotiating a lower interest rate, be sure to keep track of your savings. You may want to consider setting up automatic payments to ensure that you never miss a payment and incur late fees or penalty APRs. Keep in mind that negotiating your interest rate may not be possible in all situations. If you have a low credit score, a high debt-to-income ratio, or a history of missed payments, your credit card issuer may be less than willing to negotiate. However, it's always worth a try, and you may be surprised by the results. By being polite, persistent, and prepared, you may be able to convince your credit card issuer to lower your rate and help you get the most out of your plastic. Hack number 2. Using balance transfer offers. If you're carrying a balance on a high-interest credit card, it can be difficult to make progress towards paying off your debt. One way to break this cycle is to take advantage of balance transfer offers. These offers allow you to transfer your outstanding balance from one credit card to another with a lower interest rate. Many credit card issuers offer introductory rates as low as 0% on balance transfers for a limited time, often ranging from 6 to 18 months. During this period, you can make payments on your transferred balance without incurring any interest charges. This can provide a significant financial advantage and help you pay off your debt faster. To take advantage of a balance transfer offer, you'll need to find a credit card with a lower interest rate than your current card. You can compare cards online or speak with a representative from your current credit card issuer to see if they offer any balance transfer promotions. Other banks offer a zero balance transfer credit card for 12 to 21 months. Once you've found a card that offers a favorable balance transfer offer, you'll need to apply for the new card and transfer your balance to it. It's important to read the terms and conditions of the offer carefully, as there may be fees associated with the balance transfer. These fees are typically a percentage of the total amount transferred, so it's important to factor them into your calculations when considering whether a balance transfer offer is right for you. It's also important to make payments on time during the promotional period. If you miss a payment or pay late, you may lose the promotional rate and be subject to high interest charges. Additionally, it's important to avoid using the card for new purchases, as these purchases may be subject to a higher interest rate. Taking advantage of balance transfer options can be an effective credit card hack for saving money on interest charges and paying off debt faster. By finding a card with lower interest rates and carefully managing your payments during the promotional period, you can make significant progress towards becoming debt-free. Hack number 3. Maximizing your rewards. Credit card rewards can be a fantastic way to earn cash back, travel miles, or other valuable perks simply by using your credit card for everyday purchases. However, not all rewards programs are created equal, and knowing how to strategically use your credit card can help you maximize your rewards and save money in the long run. One way to maximize your credit card rewards is to choose a card that offers higher rewards for certain purchases. For example, some cards may offer a higher cashback percentage for groceries or cash, while others may offer bonus miles for travel expenses. By selecting a card that aligns with your spending habits, you can earn more rewards for the purchases you make most frequently. It's important to note that many credit card companies also offer rotating categories that provide additional rewards for certain purchases throughout the year. For example, a card may offer 5% cashback on purchases made at grocery stores during the first quarter of the year and then switch to offering 5% cashback on gas purchases during the second quarter. By keeping track of these rotating categories and using your card accordingly, you can earn even more rewards. In addition to choosing a card that offers high rewards for certain purchases, it's also important to pay attention to any spending limits or caps associated with your rewards program. Some cards may only offer bonus rewards up to a certain amount spent each month or quarter, while others may have a maximum annual reward amount. By understanding the terms of your rewards program, you can avoid missing out on valuable rewards. Finally, it's important to be responsible with your credit card use to ensure that you're truly benefiting from your rewards program. This means paying your bill on time and in full each month to avoid interest charges and late fees. It also means avoiding overspending simply to earn more rewards, as carrying a balance on your card can quickly offset any rewards earned. Credit card rewards can be an excellent way to earn valuable perks and save money on everyday purchases. By strategically selecting a card that offers higher rewards for your spending habits, keeping track of rotating categories, and being responsible with your card use, you can maximize your rewards and make the most out of your credit card benefit. Now for hack number 4, avoiding annual fees. Credit cards that charge annual fees can be a real budget buster for some consumers. The fees can range anywhere from $50 to several $100s a year, and they can add up quickly, especially if you have multiple credit cards. However, there are ways to avoid annual fees and keep more money in your pocket. One way to avoid annual fees is to negotiate with your credit card issuer. Many card issuers are willing to waive annual fees or offer a reduced fee if you ask. This is especially true if you have a good credit score, a solid payment history, and have been a loyal customer for several years. It's important to note that this tactic may not always work, but it's worth a try. Another way to avoid annual fees is to switch to a credit card that doesn't charge an annual fee. There are plenty of credit cards on the market that don't charge annual fees, and some even offer rewards and other benefits. However, it's important to read the fine print and make sure you're not sacrificing rewards or other benefits for the sake of avoiding fees. Be sure to compare the benefits and rewards of different cards before making a decision. It's also important to be aware of any introductory offers associated with a new card. Some credit card companies may waive the annual fee for the first year or offer other incentives to entice new customers. However, it's important to understand the terms of the offer and how it will affect your budget in the long run. Finally, it's important to consider the overall value of your credit card when deciding whether to pay an annual fee. Some credit cards that charge annual fees offer valuable rewards, such as cashback or travel miles, that can offset the cost of the fee. It's important to weigh the cost of the annual fee against the potential benefits to determine whether the card is truly worth it. Lastly, hack number 5, getting free travel. Traveling can be expensive, but with the right credit card strategy, you can earn free travel and save money on your next vacation. One of the best ways to do this is by taking advantage of credit card rewards programs that offer sign-up bonuses and rewards that can be redeemed for travel expenses. To start earning free travel, the first step is to find a credit card that offers valuable travel rewards. Some credit cards offer sign-up bonuses worth hundreds of dollars, while others offer points or miles that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and other travel expenses. It's important to compare the rewards and benefits of different cards to find the one that best fits your travel goals. Once you have a travel rewards credit card, it's important to use it strategically to earn as many rewards as possible. Many cards offer bonus rewards for certain types of purchases, such as flights, hotels, or dining. By using your card for these purchases, you can earn more rewards and maximize your benefits. In addition to earning rewards, it's important to understand how to redeem them for the most value. Some credit card rewards programs allow you to transfer points or miles to travel partners for even greater value. For example, transferring credit card points to an airline loyalty program can often result in higher value redemption. Another way to maximize your travel rewards is by taking advantage of travel benefits that come with your credit card. Many cards offer perks such as free checked bags, priority boarding, and airport lounge access. By using these benefits, you can save money and make your travel experience more enjoyable. Take note, earning free travel through credit card rewards does require some planning and effort. It's important to pay off your credit card balance each month to avoid interest charges and late fees, and to keep track of rewards program rules and expiration dates. But with a little effort, earning free travel can be a rewarding and money-saving experience. So there you have it, the best credit card hacks that banks don't want you to know about. By using these tips and tricks, you can save money, earn rewards, and get the most out of your credit cards. Just remember to use your cards wisely, pay off your balances in full each month, and read the fine print to avoid hidden fees and charges. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And don't forget to share this video to someone who could also benefit from these awesome and useful credit card hacks.